Good morning everyone, happy Monday and welcome back to the vlog and happy birthday if today's your birthday. Whew, another Monday here again. Hate it. It's about punch Monday. Get it out of here. Last Monday this time I was just waking up. It was the morning of Labor Day and just had the whole day ahead of me. And now, look at me, actually having to work. That's okay. I actually had a really nice weekend and it felt pretty long, like definitely long enough, which was good. I mean, it never really is long enough, but... And happy Monday to you as well. I know it is Monday for you and I honestly don't even know what's on the docket for today. I don't think it's gonna be too big of a day, too busy. Just your normal sort of amount, but I don't foresee it being overly stressful, so that's really nice. Guess that's really all I have to say this morning. There's not too much going on here. It's gonna be one of those days that we try to power through as much as we can before lunch, and maybe we can stop sort of nice and early. Ooh, Molly Cat, you see those two birds? Let's open up the blinds for her. Sitting on my jacket? Okay. The birds are like on this. You can sort of see their outline there. There you go, Molly Cat. There they are. What do you think? Oh, they're on the move. So many crows hang out in our neighborhood. It's actually scary. Ooh. Runner. Hello, sir. Anyway, what I was saying about the crows. Did you guys know that crows will actually like remember you if you do something bad to them? And they will also tell other crows and then everyone will know who you are and they will like come after you, I'm pretty sure. I don't know how much of that is actually accurate, but I'm pretty sure it is. Look at this like little curl here. What's it doing? Never piss off a crow. Moral of the story. Hear that, Molly Cat? Do not want those crows coming after you. Okay friends, there has been a bit of a change of plans for our day here. Sorry, this lighting is weird, but we're in a rush. Our Uber's almost here. Anyway, about 2 weeks from now, actually like this weekend when you're watching this vlog, I'm going to Vegas with some girlfriends. It's gonna be a really fun time.
No guys allowed.
No boys allowed. No significant others allowed. It's just the girls. It's gonna be a very fun time. We have a lot of stuff lined up already. It's gonna be really good. But I was trying to like scroll through some websites and like see what I wanted to wear, but honestly I was feeling very overwhelmed scrolling through places and I just felt like I just like want to get there in person and like look through some stuff, at least get like a solid amount of inspiration from that and then maybe actually shop at home. But sorry, my camera died. But anyway, moral of the story is Connor had to go like right across the street from the mall anyway, and so I was like, I'm just going to hitch a ride in his Uber and go and do some shopping in person. Very 2009 of me, as Caitlin told me. Keys, my AirPods. Okay. Hi, for Connor. Great, he just forgot his mask, so he's just running up and grabbing it. Okay, into the mall we head. Just right over here. I just went up to Connor's office. If you guys don't know, Connor is a lawyer, but he works for a hologram company, and so he does a lot of different stuff for them. Yeah, it was my first time seeing a hologram. Connor's been working there for a very long time, and I haven't had a chance to check it out yet. So it was pretty amazing. Next time I'm there, Connor told me he would turn me into a hologram, so I'll definitely show you guys that next time. First stop is Zara. Let's do it. Found a bunch of stuff. We're gonna try it all on. I have no idea if any of this will work. We're gonna see how it goes. I was actually struggling a little bit because there were so many cute things and I had to just remember Vegas only. Nothing that you couldn't wear to Vegas. We're not here to shop for fun. We're on a mission. Loved the idea of this, but it is way too big on me and the shoes don't go the way that I thought that they would. But I may still get the shoes because I do like them. Another definite no. Like, this is just not flattering on me at all. This is by far the best thing I've tried on so far. So I do like this, but I don't love red. So it's not doing it for me, but I do like this bodysuit. I feel like I could do something else with this, I think. So this is like a strong maybe, and I think this skirt is probably a no. I don't love red. I also look like crap, so it's really not helping me envision. Okay, this is cute. I love the little glitter here. I don't know if you guys can tell, but it's like a little sparkly chain. It's way too long. Who is this made for? Well, I think we're saying no to everything here, but I do think I'm gonna get these shoes. Yeah, I think they're a fun vibe. Got the goods. Let's pop in here. I doubt they'll have anything, but maybe. As predicted, nothing there. I have to say Zara was a real letdown. It also made me feel bad about myself because I looked horrible in everything that I put on. We're gonna see if we can find some other stuff. I browsed around Nordstrom, maybe. Maybe some Anthropologie. Could be good. Well, Connor's done with his demo, and things are not looking good here for me anyway, so I think I'm just gonna go back with him because, I don't know, this is not working out the way that I hoped it would. But the only thing that I had on my, like, definitely want list is a colorful pair of heels. And at least I found that, so that's something, but definitely not the most ideal shopping trip. I was hoping to do, like, a whole haul for you guys, and clearly that's not gonna happen. I don't know, you guys can't tell at all, but it is so gross and foggy back here in Santa Monica. You literally can't tell, but this is like totally covered in like smog or fog or whatever the hell is going on here.
It feels almost like it's gonna be misty.
It's like cold. I hope it rains, that would be amazing. Hi, I love you. Okay, my big ol' Vegas haul. I thought I'm gonna go with Mom, I'm gonna find so much stuff. I'm gonna do a big haul for you guys. I came back with one small bag with one item in it. Very sad, and you guys have already seen it. It's the shoes, but I mean, they're amazing, as I said.
Ooh, love the color.
Right?
Yes.
As I said, I only had one thing on my for sure wanted list, and it was a pair of colorful heels, so I guess I did fulfill that, which is nice, but it's not exactly the haul that I was looking for. These are size 6 too. I usually wear 5.5, but I figured in heels they're rather size up than size down. So foggy and gray, cold. It's like literally 10 degrees colder here than it was in Century City. I'm still attached, so they're sort of hard to walk in, but here they are. Let's see if we can get a better view. Very cute. They're actually like pretty damn comfortable. Obviously, if you wear heels for long enough, they will not be comfortable anymore, but I feel like these are going to be very cute. I'm excited. Vegas is just gonna be one of those weekends where you just deal with the pain of wearing heels and suck it up and don't say anything about it, because if you acknowledge it, you will die. These are really actually pretty comfortable though. I'm very impressed. Hopefully, I guess I need to go shopping. By the way, I'm not gonna be vlogging in Vegas. I'm just there to have a good time and not worry about all of this. So sorry, but I will be posting about it on all of my social media. So follow me on like Instagram probably for the most content. I'm very hungry. I have not had lunch yet. I did have an energy bar earlier today, which really had me filled up, but I was not expecting to like not eat until 5 p.m., which is what time it currently is. So we gotta get a little something to eat. Okay, just about to make a little snack here, and I'm gonna try this cucumber snack that I saw on TikTok. Basically, you cut up a cucumber to like little spears like this, and then you put soy sauce, sesame oil, and everything but the bagel seasoning on them. So we're gonna try it. Soy sauce, I don't know how much, so that looks okay. Pour a bit of that in there. Okay, making like a sort of good amount because I'm hungry. This is really good. I'm just gonna throw it into a bowl just for ease of eating. Let's snack. Oh my god, what is with the craziness? Okay, quick grocery haul because Connor and I are just starting on dinner, and I got a couple things delivered for us. So, got some salad because we wanted to make a salad to go with dinner tonight. They didn't have the family size, and they didn't have the kind that we wanted, apparently. So anyway, we got this chipotle and cheddar.
Should I use the cherry tomatoes or these tomatoes for the salad?
Cherry tomatoes. Yeah. So it's fine. Like, we're really mostly just using the lettuce part of this, so it doesn't really matter. Got us another bell pepper, a zucchini, 2 avocados. Got a cucumber just in case we went through ours. Also got some stuff for us to make Crunchwrap Supremes. So we're gonna do that soon. So we have large flour tortillas and these small tacos. Very good. Got some more seaweed for our little homemade sushi. Got some rice paper for our dumplings. Spicy kimchi. This is like my favorite brand. It's so good. And then the last time I got something a little different, but I got some just bean sprouts because I thought they would be sort of yummy to throw into some sandwiches. There you go. That's just a little mini haul filling in some blanks that we had in our pantry. For dinner, we are making a
bluefin tuna.
Thank you. Tuna steak with some salad, some caprese. It's gonna be really good. Look at how freaking delicious this looks. I'm so excited. We have avocado, bell pepper, cucumber, tomato, and a bed of lettuce with our fresh tuna steaks from the farmer's market. And then I topped it with, I forget what this dressing is called. Asian style spicy peanut vinaigrette. It's really good from Trader Joe's. And I did just a little tiny sprinkle of everything but the bagel on top, mostly as garnish, more than like seasoning. Obviously it will add a little flavor, but I just did a little. Connor obviously has the exact same, loving it. And then we are also going to have a caprese salad on the side that we're going to share, which looks so good too. Sorry for the background noise. We just have the Ravens-Raiders game on and it's intense right now, so we can't turn off the sound. But wanted to do a taste test. We got the burrata all dressed up with balsamic and olive oil.
Wow.
He is the most accurate field goal kicker in NFL history.
That burrata tastes so good right now,
I know.
too.
There's nothing better than
Tomatoes
burrata.
is perfect.
Holder, kicker,
I can't believe you didn't like tomatoes at one point.
I know. I didn't really like tomatoes like a year ago.
True.
I was coming around to them more. I did not like tomatoes when I was in Italy, and what a fucking waste that is.
Oh my god.
Or olives.
Oh my god.
2 of like my favorite things now.
I know, it's crazy.
Hello, sir, you can't fucking grab the ball out of him once he's down, like he's on the ground. Stop it. Stop touching him. That is Lamar Jackson, sir. I don't know who you are. This is crazy.
Again, Nick Moore will snap.
Oh my god, I like I was really throwing that around.
Oh,
What
yeah.
was it, Avi?
Gabby.
Sam Cook will hold it. 47-yard field goal.
Nice catch.
Unlike Aguilar.
My man just started throwing babies out the window. We was catching them, unlike Aguilar.
Agalo. It just so speaks to the Phillies psyche that is still top of mind.
Aguilar?
Yeah, while he's saving people's lives.
I know,
Being
that's what I'm
interviewed
saying.
on the news.
I know, but we still have to take that opportunity. This man is like, this is the only opportunity I have to say something publicly
For the
about this
city.
situation.
For the city.
Literally, it's for the city.
The man is a servant to Philadelphia, whether it's telling the GMs what they need to hear.
Or saving babies.
Babies from
Either
birth.
way, equally as important to us as a city.
No way he made it. He made it.
Wow.
55 yards.
Let's go OG. That's
Yes, we need those stats.
Alrighty, friends, I am heading to bed. Well, actually, I'm in bed. And I'm gonna watch some YouTube videos. Connor wanted to play some video games tonight, which I'm fine with. It's almost like 11 already, so I'm sleepy. And I just want to come in here and watch some YouTube. I recently discovered a new Sims YouTuber who I'm obsessed with. His name is like Devin Bumpkin, I think. That's not his actual name. His actual name is Aiden, I think, not Devin. But anyway, his YouTube name is Devin Bumpkin. He only has like 100,000 subscribers, but he's killing it. He's an amazing builder and he is hilarious as a person. So anyway, thank you guys for watching today. Hope you enjoyed it. It was way less exciting than I thought it would be. Like I wanted to do like a full Vegas haul, but I did come back and order a ton of stuff online. So my only worry is that it says that it may not get here until like the day before I leave. So if it gets delayed at all, that would be bad. But hopefully it just gets here early. Fingers crossed. I'm very nervous about it because if it doesn't show, then I am screwed. Anyway, hopefully it'll be fine. We're just speaking it into existence. It will be here. Now I'm going to end the vlog for real this time. Thank you guys for watching. And